Take a look at this channel. It has been quietly dominating YouTube right now, pulling in millions of views with almost every video. And the surprising part is, it's all based on simple insect AI visuals. No complex filming, no expensive setup, just a repeatable system that keeps going viral. Now here's what most people don't realize. This exact style of video can be recreated using AI. We've already created a master prompt for you. You can get it from our channel. The link is in the description. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT will generate multiple image prompts, along with matching video prompts for every scene. Now we move into the creation process. For this, we'll use Flow AI. Start with image generation. Go back to ChatGPT and copy any image. Then select your aspect ratio, resolution, and number of outputs, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now we turn it into video. Go to the video generation section inside Flow AI. Select the image you just created. Now copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Click Generate, and just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks clean, realistic, and highly engaging. The exact style that's currently going viral. Here are a few more variations I created using the same system. And that's it. This is how you can create viral insect AI videos using a simple workflow. If this helped you, don't just scroll away. Comment, Insect, if you want me to send you the exact master prompt I used in this video. And if you're stuck anywhere in the process, like prompts not working, images not matching, or video generation issues, just drop your problem in the comments. I try to reply to as many as I can and help you fix it. Also, if you want more hidden AI video formats like this before they get saturated, make sure you're